Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to set up a remote control server. So how you can actually, for example, control the PC that you own by another one. So let's say that I have this PC which is my PC here and I want to actually start editing on it, using it, but from far away, for example, from work and from like whatever I am. What can I do to do that? First of all, make sure that in the other PC that you are going to start doing your stuff, you have this program installed, which it comes normally with Windows, so you must have it, which is remote desktop connection. So this is it. And then what you'll have to do is simply go to here. So let's go to here, like that, to system, and here it is. So now guys, as you can see, this is the device name. So make sure as well that you have it here, which is copy it, so save it in your phone or whatever else. And basically this is the name that you have to use it in order to connect to this PC. So as you can see here, RDS, let me just open it. So in case I wanted to connect to this PC from another one, I will have to like enter this name in here. Then everything that I need to do is simply set it up. All I need to do is click on connect. Of course, it will give me error because I have already in progress. I can't really control my PC from my own PC. But yeah, overall, you get the idea. So simply just go ahead and go to that PC, paste this name, connect to it, and after that, they will ask you for a password. This first password usually is only popping off when you have a password to this PC. So, for example, when you first turn on your PC, they will ask you like for a password to sign into your profile. Well, in case you had this password on, they will ask you to put it in your remote. If not, they will just give you the permission to access this PC directly. So yeah guys, that's what it to today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.